Today I want to show you how to check if your report were approved or not, and what to do if the reports were not approved, how to make them approved. So we are logging today as a developer, and let's say that we have reports for the previous months, and we want to check if all of them are approved. Here we can see that 3 of the reports are in green and only 1 is in gray. So what does that mean? That means that approved reports are in green. So all of these 3 reports, they were approved, and only 1 of them in gray. That means that this report was not approved. What we need to do to make this report approved? We need to go to admin and ask if everything is fine with this report, to check if everything is fine, and approve it. So we will check as an admin. We will log in as an admin and check in management reports page. We need to check reports for the previous months. So here are all of these reports that we saw in developer's account. So we need to check like task, hours, project, reported date. If everything is fine, we can approve it. So we are approving the report and all of them are in green. That means that all of them were approved. We are saying to the developer like everything is correct, and you can check that all of your reports were approved. So we will check. Same page, my account, submit a report. We need to check the previous months. Now we can see that all of the reports are in green now. So that means that all of them were approved. So everything is fine with them and they are approved.